Hello and welcome to Memories Caribe in Cayo Coco, Cuba. It's been raining sporadically, so I've been spending more time than I'd like to admit in my room. After it just rained, I thought, why not just give you a tour of the room? I have a Diamond Club room and it was a free upgrade, thankfully, because it's low season. I'm here near the end of June, so the resort is relatively empty, which is nice. It's easy to find spots everywhere, no problem. I have a great view of the lake, which is nice, and I'm on the second floor. Come join me. So let's start off with the bed. The bed is comfy for me. It's a little firmer. I know most people like softer beds, but I personally prefer a bit of a firmer bed. So it's very comfortable for me. It's large, it's a king size, and you have two bedside tables and you have a telephone, which might or might not work. Who knows? I haven't checked yet. You have enough tables as well to put your stuff on. As you can see, I put many things on mine. You have a TV right over here, and there's a cabinet or a TV console, whatever you want to call it. And there's a mini fridge right inside it. Usually I get 2 beers and 2 Pepsis, surprisingly Pepsis in Cuba, every single day without fail, and a bottle of water. And if I run out of water, I just go to any of the places here, the snack bar, the lobby bar, whatever, and ask them to refill it, no problem. There's a couch here with a table in front of it if you want to sit here. And there's also a table as well where you can work with chairs, enough chairs as well. Now, in terms of Wi-Fi, I was happy to find full Wi-Fi in my room up until yesterday, the third last day of my stay. And I work from here. I work from everywhere. I'm a remote worker. So yeah, I went to the lobby, and I know it's Cuba, and Wi-Fi is very temperamental here, to say the least. So I asked them if they could reset the router, because it seems like the router just shut off near my room, and they said there's not much they can do about it. They'll look into it and ask me to check back today. But otherwise, there is Wi-Fi here. There is Wi-Fi in the communal areas, so the lobby, you know, the bar, the snack bar, places like that. In terms of the balcony, without bug spray, it's hard to sit there during the day and night, usually, because there's a lot of bugs, a lot of mosquitoes, so it can get pretty difficult. But I get to still enjoy the view from inside, so that's a good thing. Now here you have the place where you can store your suitcase and your bags, things like that. You have your safe here in the closet as well, and the safe is a little bit on the smaller side. I usually bring my laptop and I couldn't fit it in there. So instead I just usually put my laptop in my suitcase and lock it up, just in case. The closet has plenty of space to put your clothes in. It also comes with an ironing board, and even an umbrella, actually, because it does rain here. So this is the washroom, and you have your open shower, you have your toilet and your sink, and comes with shower gel, a shampoo, conditioner, and some soap. You got your face towel, you got your hand towel, you got your body towel. How many more towels do you need, right? And the water pressure, it's okay. It takes a little bit of time, maybe 10-20 seconds for the hot water to come in, but otherwise it's good, can't complain. Now the room was very clean. The maid, she cleans it really well every single day. She does a bit of towel art as well. And that's always nice to see, right? When you come back from outside, beaten by the sun, it's always nice to see. Yeah, very clean, very spacious, very open layout, which I like. And the AC also, it's very strong, so that's also good. When it's hot outside, you come in and it's a wintry bliss in here, which can be nice. Now my building is building 19, and it's the closest to the lobby and the most of the communal areas, so the snack bar and the theater and everything, which I can appreciate. But also at night, there's a thumping bass from music coming in. Up until last night, it was up until like 1ish. So that can be an issue if you're trying to sleep. But I like the fact that it's close proximity to the lobby. It's furthest from the beach though, but footprint of this resort is pretty small compared to some of the other resorts out there, so it's not that big of a deal to walk there to the beach. Now in terms of a beach towel, you'll find it in your room when you come to the resort. And there's no towel exchange room in the resort that other resorts usually have. What you do is you track down your housekeeper and you just ask her to exchange the towel for you. And again, I love the view. It's a great view, even though my balcony is susceptible to mosquitoes from the lake, but it is a nice view. So you win some, you lose some, right? But otherwise, it's a spacious room. Can't complain. It's clean, and that's what I look for. That's my number one priority, is that it's clean. And again, the maid cleans it really well every single day, and I'm grateful for that. Anyways, thank you for joining me at the Diamond Club room in Memories Caribe in Cayo Coco, Cuba. See you in the next one.